What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about one of the biggest questions I'm getting lately, which is, will AI replace me as a videographer? And the short answer is yes. The long answer is no. And I'm going to explain that in the video as to how you can hedge against being replaced by AI. If you don't know who I am, my name is Deeran. I run a program called Master Filmmaker. We help videographers, video business owners, and filmmakers grow their business, make more money, and close more deals. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about, will AI replace you as a videographer? And the short answer is yes. If all you are is a videographer, right, somebody who makes content, points and shoots a camera and presses a button, then yes, it definitely will replace you, because AI can essentially create content, right? It can create, like, if you say, hey, I want this shot, this shot, this shot, AI is going to replace that. Now, the long answer to this is AI is not going to replace people who are more than just a button pusher. So if you're someone like a content strategist, right? And I know a lot of us don't think about ourselves like this, but we need to start thinking about ourselves like this. And in order to create content for our clients, AI can't strategize, right? Like, if the client doesn't know what questions to ask, then AI is not going to be able to feed them the right data for those questions. So you need to be focusing on, how can I focus on getting my clients a result, right, with the content and with the videos that I create for them, as opposed to just being someone who creates content. Because if a client knows exactly what they need, the types of videos that they need to solve their problems, then of course they can just go hire somebody, or they can just, use AI and create that right off the bat. But if a client doesn't know what type of content to create, and they don't understand, what a brand video does, what a testimonial video does, how to create promo content, how to create different types of content to solve different types of problems, then they're not going to be able to replace you, because they still need you as the person who's advising them. And so you want to think of yourself as like a content advisor, a content consultant, somebody who's going to actually create the content and advise them on how to use the content correctly. Whereas like AI can edit, it can create clips, it can create B-roll. But if you're a content strategist, then you know how to use AI to actually make your job even easier, which is the super exciting part. Like, if you're a video business owner, you can use AI to not have to go out on shoots as much. You can use AI to go and not have to worry about getting an aerial shot or bringing out a huge drone or something like that, because you can use AI to replace that, right? Where people are going to get into trouble is when you're just a button pusher and you don't actually understand strategy, which is something we help our clients with in the full program, obviously. But like, that's where you're going to start to get in trouble, because you don't know how to actually create content. You don't know how to actually create content with a purpose and get clients results. Because at the end of the day, all they want is results, right? Clients just want to get more leads, calls, clients. And so there's two things you need to be asking yourself when you're creating content. Does this help get more clients, or does this help make them worth more? These are the only two outcomes you need to be focusing on. Is, does this help my clients get more clients, or does it help them make their clients worth more, right? So does it help get more leads, calls, and clients, or does it help those clients make them pay that client or that company again and again and again? And so these are the only two outcomes you need to be focusing on, because outside of this, it does not matter for the business. And so you need to be focusing on creating content that does this. If you can focus on these two things, then you won't need to worry about being replaced by AI, because you're actually helping the client get a result, right? So hopefully this answers some questions for you guys asking. You should be focusing on how you can become a content strategist, not somebody who's just going to create content and is a button pusher, because those types of people will be replaced by AI. And shameless plug, if you want to learn how to get clients consistently and not be replaced by AI, click the link below. There should be a link to schedule a demo with my team, and we'll talk with you about how you can actually implement systems like this for yourself and for your clients, so you aren't replaced and you don't have to worry about being replaced by AI, but you can instead use AI to actually make you more money. So with that being said, we'll see you in the next video.